So in this section we will deal with R installation and some basic features of R. In the preface we introduced you to R and Hadoop. Until now R has been used mainly for statistical analysis, but due to increasing number of functions and packages it has become popular in several fields such as machine learning, visualization and data operations. R will not load all data, that means big data. R cannot load all the big data into the machine memory. So Hadoop can be chosen to load the data like big data. Similarly, not all algorithms work across Hadoop. So Hadoop, for working algorithms, for analysis part we use R, and for storage part we use Hadoop. Hadoop is very popular framework that provides parallel processing capabilities. That is, in Hadoop the processing will be done parallelly. So many works can be done parallelly, so the Hadoop is used for processing large data sets. But the analysis part it is done by R software. R plus Hadoop is commonly known as R Hadoop. If we think about a combined R Hadoop system, R will take care of the data analysis such as data loading, exploration, analysis and visualization. Hadoop will take care of parallel data storage as well as computation power against distributed data. That is, Hadoop will take care about the storage, parallel storage. Large amount of data is stored parallelly and distributed data is stored. And the Hadoop is taking care of the storage part, and R will take care of the analysis and exploration, visualization part. So these two are combined together to form R Hadoop. Before the advent of big data technologies, analysis used to be run on a limited data sets on a single machine. Before big data technologies came into existence, the data analysis was done on limited data sets on a single machine. But advanced machine learning algorithms are very effective when applied to large data sets. That is, advanced machine learning algorithms can be used in big data. In the next section, we will see how R and Hadoop will be installed on different operating systems, and also the different ways to link R and Hadoop. First is installing R. You can install R in Windows operating system or Linux operating system or Mac OS. But the R software is mainly installed in Linux. Linux is the most common platform in which R will function. For Windows, we should follow the given steps. To install R in Windows, the steps are: first step is to navigate to www.rproject.org. Then click on the CRAN section. Select CRAN Mirror and select your Windows operating system. Download the latest R version from the mirror. Then execute the downloaded.exe to install R. Understanding the features of R language. There are over 3000 R packages and the list is growing day by day. This book focuses only on the key features of R and discusses the most frequently used and popular R packages. Using R packages. R packages are self-contained units of R functionality that can be invoked as functions. So an R package is basically a function. These functions can be called if we want to perform any operations. It is saved as .jar file. The extension is .jar. Extension for R package. An R file has the extension .jar. There is a vast library of R packages available for a very wide range of operations, ranging from statistical operations and machine learning to rich graphic visualization and plotting. A list of these packages can be found at Comprehensive R Archive Network, that is known as CRAN. Comprehensive R Archive Network. It is short form is CRAN. Performing data operations. The main data processing operations are data cleaning, data exploration, and data analysis. Data cleaning means it is to clean massive data sets. Data exploration means to explore all possible values of data sets. And data analysis means to perform analytics on data. To build an effective analytic application, we need to use Online Application Programming Interface (API). And also, we can visualize it by using third-party services. R has its own programming language to operate data. Also, the available packages can help to integrate R with other programming features. So R has its own language. Also, it has so many packages that will help to integrate with other programming languages. R also supports object-oriented programming concepts, that is OOPS concept. R supports OOPS concepts. It is also capable of integrating with Java, PHP, C and C++. There are several packages that will act as middle layer programming features, which are similar to SQLDF, HTTR, R Mongo, R Google Maps, R Google Analytics and Google Prediction API R Client. These are the several programs which integrates with R.